Hello guys, today we will talk about mirror modifier in Blender. But first, do subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon for more videos and updates. So for mirror modifier you have to understand first this pivot point. So this is the pivot point of the object, and what mirror modifier do, it just mirror the object around this pivot point. You have to apply the mirror modifier. You will see that around this pivot point, this the mirror of this object is added. This is the job of the mirror modifier. Now we just for example quickly make something around this model, from this model, like something like a butterfly, you can say. And you can also see that it also changes on the mirror thing on that object. So this is the working of the mirror modifier. You have to do job on the one side, it will automatically do on the second side. Like if I change on this original model, then what mirror modifier do, it will also change on this side. So you can apply this on X, Y and Z axis. For example, if I select on this on the X axis and Y axis, so this will happen on the Y axis also, and if I select also on the Z axis, so it will do on the Z axis. So this is the working of the mirror modifier here. You have to select on and change. You have to just change on the one side of the object, it will automatically make changes on the second or other side of the object. Now we just talk about these options here. What bisect do, it just bisect or cut and merge the object on the X, Y or Z axis. And what mirror object do, if you don't want to select from the pivot point, then you can select any object like empty or other from the menu. And what this is very important option here, clipping. What clipping does, it just stick, if the object merge one time, it just hold down there, it never goes again. So like this, you can see here, it just stuck down there. This is the working of the clipping. It is very important, you have to enable this almost every time. So, and now down there, this is the merging limit, merge limit for the vertices. If you increase the limit, you can see that these vertices will merge. So 0.1. and down there textures option, these are used for textures and not very important, leave that here. So this is it for mirror modifier. You have to just do a change on the one side, it will automatically do change on the all other side. You can see that changes are happening. And now if you also, you can apply from an empty plane axis, you can select here from empty, it will also work the same. And now if you change the empty distance, it will change. You can see that you can also do this from empty. If you don't want to select the origin point, you can also select any object you want from that menu. And now last thing here, just quickly delete all A and X. Now you have to apply a cube, sorry for that. Now make subdivision surface on it, scale S and apply. Go to the edit mode by pressing tab, Z and wireframe 8 twice, B to box select, and select this half side of the object and press X and delete the vertices. Now you can see we have deleted the half side of the sphere and the origin is at the center. Now apply the mirror modifier here. You will see that this other side will done, and enable the clipping option. This is very useful in making models, 3D models and objects. So now you have to change only the one side of the object. It will also automatically do on the second side. So we are just trying here to make some model head quickly, if we can make. So this is the working of the mirror modifier. You have to just do on the one side. You are seeing that you have to do just on the one side of the object. It will do on the second side. So this is it for today's lecture, and hope you will like it. So do subscribe the channel and please press the bell icon for more videos and updates. Thanks for watching.